Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Hustler mower parts is probably one of the most crucial investments a homeowner or professional landscaper can make to ensure their Hustler zero-turn mower continues to perform at its peak, delivering that pristine, manicured look to lawns season after season. When your Hustler mower is running smoothly, it's not just about aesthetics, it's about efficiency, reliability, and the satisfaction of a job well done, making the selection of genuine or high-quality aftermarket parts a decision that directly impacts your productivity and the longevity of your valuable equipment. Number 5. UDC Part 791988 Deck Belt for Hustler Raptor 52-inch. Ensure your mower keeps running smoothly with this high-quality deck belt. It's designed for durability and long-lasting performance, making yard work easier. Crafted with premium materials, including aramid tensile cords and a natural rubber body, this belt is built to withstand heavy-duty use and resist wear. This belt is specifically designed to replace the OEM part for Hustler Raptor and Raptor Limited 52-inch decks. It ensures a precise fit and optimal function. Experience consistent and reliable performance thanks to its proven high braking strength and flexibility. It's engineered to handle demanding tasks without failure. Replacing your old belt is straightforward with this part. Get your mower back to its best condition quickly and efficiently. Lab tested for low friction and minimal wear, this belt guarantees extended service life. You can trust its quality for all your mowing needs. What we like. This deck belt is built for extreme durability. Its aramid cord construction and lab tested wear resistance ensure it can handle heavy-duty use without failure. If you're looking for a belt that will last and perform reliably under demanding conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit mower deck very well on my John Deere 318 lawn tractor. Works perfectly. Perfect fit for my 1999 DYT 4000. Installed in less than 5 minutes. So far it's held up to 5 mowings on my 1.25 acre property. Fit my mower very well. Heavy duty belt. Number 4. UDC Parts 601124 Mower Blades for Hustler. Upgrade your mowing experience with these durable replacement blades. Designed for optimal performance, they ensure a clean and precise cut every time. These blades are engineered to be a perfect fit for a wide range of Hustler mower models. Ensure your mower is always ready for the job with a reliable replacement. Forget the hassle of searching for the right part. These blades directly replace several OEM numbers, making the selection process simple and straightforward. Specifically designed for 54-inch mower decks, these blades offer excellent coverage and efficiency. Achieve a professional finish with ease. With a length of 18 to 12 inches and a width of 2 to 12 inches, these blades are crafted for superior cutting performance. The precise dimensions ensure they work effectively with your mower system. Constructed with durability in mind, these blades are built to last. Enjoy consistent, high-quality results season after season. What we like. Get a clean cut every time with these low-lift mower blades. The 3-pack offers great value, and they are compatible with a wide range of Hustler models. If you need to replace multiple blades or want a cost-effective solution for maintaining your 54-inch deck, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The mulching action with these blades completely disintegrate the grass clipping. Forget bagging or re-mowing to get rid of the clipping pile rows. There are no clippings left. Seriously, these Gator-style blades work crazy amazing. They fit my 42-inch deck perfectly, are extremely quiet, hum rather than a roar, lift the grass almost like a vacuum. These are the best mulching blades I have ever used. These turned leaves and small twigs to dust. The normal blades I have used just chop and leave me running multi-times over the same area. These were a one and done. They were an exact fit for my 42-inch deck and installed quickly without any modifications. The blades came well packaged and felt sturdy right out of the box. After installing them, I noticed an immediate improvement in cut quality. The grass is cut cleanly and evenly, with no tearing or missed spots. They handle both regular mowing and slightly overgrown grass without bogging down the mower. The balance seems good too, no excessive vibration during operation. Number 3. MaxPower 561145B 3 blade set for 52 inches. Hustler mowers. Introducing the MaxPower 3-blade set, designed for optimal performance. This set is engineered to fit many 52-inch cut Hustler and Dixie chopper mowers, ensuring a perfect match for your equipment. Each blade in this set measures 17 to 78 inches long and 2 to 12 inches wide, with a 5/8-inch center hole diameter. They are specifically designed to replace OEM numbers 603995, 783753, 795526, 787721, and 30227-52X. These blades are manufactured to meet or exceed all original equipment manufacturer specifications. You can trust in their quality and durability for consistent results. Each blade undergoes a sharpening process during manufacturing. They are then powder coated for your protection, which will wear off during the first use to reveal a precision sharpened edge. Experience the difference with blades that are built to last. Their robust construction ensures reliable performance, season after season. What we like. This 3-blade set is manufactured to meet or exceed OEM specifications for your 52-inch Hustler mower. They come precision sharpened and powder coated for protection, revealing a sharp edge on the first cut. If you're seeking a high-quality, direct replacement set that ensures a clean cut and reliable performance, this is a solid option. What people say. These are high-quality steel blades that last throughout the summer. These blades live up to its name, MaxPower, as they truly deliver a smooth cut to your yard. These blades have 2 inches more worth of cutting surface. Better than the factory blades. Nice heavy blades. Sharp out of the box. Balance is very good. The deck runs with no vibration. Made in the USA. Number 2. 810 Mower Spindle for Hustler 52-inch Deck Raptor Limited 3-pack. Introducing the 810 Mower Spindle, designed for your Hustler Raptor. This pack includes 3 spindles for your 52-inch deck. It's engineered to be compatible with the OEM part number Hustler 604214. Ensure a perfect fit for your equipment. Specifically made for the Hustler Raptor 52-inch deck models. This includes the Raptor and Raptor Limited versions. Experience improved cutting capability with this essential component. It helps ensure a cleaner, more uniform cut every time. Achieve greater consistency in your mowing. These spindles are built to provide reliable performance, season after season. Upgrade your 52-inch deck mower with this 3-pack of spindles. It's the perfect solution for maintaining optimal performance. What we like. Ensure your Hustler Raptor's 52-inch deck is performing at its best with these replacement spindles. They are designed to improve cutting consistency and capability. If you're experiencing uneven cuts or want to optimize your mower's performance, this 3-pack is a great solution. What people say. Significantly quieted down the deck. It does come with the top pulley butt and the mounting bolts. Perfect fit for my worn-out, screaming, bearings. Number 1. NoAir Flat Free Tire Assemblies 13x 6.50-6. Say goodbye to flat tires with our innovative NoAir assemblies. Enjoy a smooth, uninterrupted mowing experience every time. These heavy-duty wheels feature a durable powder-coated silver finish for longevity. They are designed for high-speed performance with smooth, tapered roller bearings. Experience a comfortable ride with our semi-pneumatic flat-free tires. The 13x 6.50-6 size provides excellent stability and traction for your equipment. Designed to perfectly fit models like the X1 and Super Z. They are the ideal replacement for your existing tires, ensuring compatibility and ease of installation. These assemblies directly replace part numbers 604898, 789537, and 747782. Ensure a seamless upgrade for your mower. To guarantee the best fit, please double-check your mower's model, serial, and part numbers before making your purchase. Thank you. What we like. Say goodbye to flat tires with these heavy-duty, flat-free tire assemblies. Featuring high-speed tapered roller bearings for smooth operation, they are built to last. If you're tired of dealing with punctures and want a maintenance-free solution for your Hustler X1 or Super Z, these are the tires you need. What people say. Awesome tires, fit my Hustler mower and no more flat tires on the front of the unit. Just finished mowing 4 acres with the NoAir flat free tire assemblies and these worked great. I have a 2010 Hustler mower and called the company to make sure I ordered the correct tires, and they were very helpful. The online instructions are good. Look to replace the 2 front caster tires on a Hustler Z Raptor 54. The original tires were starting to leak from normal age wear. After doing due diligence using the correct model part numbers, new tire will assemblies arrived in record time and fit perfectly. Using the proper wrenches, took less than 5 minutes to install and grease. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.